Hello everyone, welcome to the Nifty Prediction weekly video series. I am BL Guru. The weakness in the US markets is continuing to weigh on the Nifty. Nifty remained relatively stable in the first half of the week. However, it did not sustain. The US Federal Reserve leaving room for another 125 basis point rate hike for the rest of the year has triggered a sharp fall in the Dow last week. That has spilled over Nifty towards the end of the week. Nifty saw a sharp fall on Friday. The Dow Jones has also declined very sharply on Friday night. This can leave the Nifty to open with a gap down on Monday. However, the fall in Nifty last week is not as worse as the Dow. The Dow has strong long-term supports coming up, so there is not much room left on the downside for the Dow to fall from here. Let us look at the charts and see where the Dow can possibly bottom out and how far the Nifty can fall from here. On the monthly chart, the Dow has an immediate support at 28,900. A trend line and the moving average are paused around this level. Below that, on the quarterly chart, a long-term trend line and the moving average support is coming up at 28,200. So, we can expect the Dow to possibly bottom around 28,200 and see a fresh long-term rally. Nifty has a crucial support at 17,150, a trend line on the weekly chart, and the next support is coming up at 17,000, a moving average support on the monthly chart. We have to see if the Nifty is managing to hold above 17,150 and 17,000 or not. A break below 17,000 can drag the Nifty down to 16,720 and 16,700 initially. A corrective bounce from around 16,700 to 17,000 and 17,100 is a possibility. If this corrective bounce fails to break above 17,150, then there can be one more leg of fall. That fall can take the Nifty down to 16,410 and 16,300. From a long-term perspective, the fall to 16,410 and 16,300 will be a good buying opportunity. We expect a fresh leg of up move to begin from the 16,410 to 16,300 region. In case if Nifty manages to sustain above 17,150 and 17,000 itself, then we will have a range of 17,000 to 18,100 for some time as mentioned last week. Nifty Bank Index has closed just above a crucial trendline support level of 39,300. It has to hold above this support to keep alive the chances of rising to 42,000 from here itself. A break below this support can take the index down to 38,275 this week. This support can hold on its first test and produce a bounce to 39,400 and 39,500. But if the sell-off intensifies and the Nifty Bank Index breaks below 38,200, the fall can extend up to 37,000. But for now, we place less probability for this fall to happen. We expect 38,200 to hold and trigger a bounce to 39,400 and 39,500. To sum up, Nifty has crucial supports at 17,150 and 17,000. We have to see if Nifty is managing to hold above 17,000 or not. If it holds above 17,000, we can see a bounce back and a broad range of 17,000 to 18,100 in the next few weeks. However, given the weakness in the Dow Jones, the chances are high for the Nifty to break below 17,000. If that break happens, we can see a fall to 16,700 and even 16,300. The Dow Jones has strong supports at 29,000 and then a long-term support at 28,200. The chances are very less for the Dow Jones to fall further below 28,200. So, 16,300 on the Nifty and 28,200 on the Dow Jones are the important levels to see in the coming weeks. We expect both the indices to see a strong reversal from there. The fall to 16,300 on the Nifty and 28,200 on the Dow will be a good buying opportunity from a long-term perspective. Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description. If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen.